How to download Pandora stations for offline listening. In order to do so, you may follow this step. So open up your Pandora app, and then once you open it up on your screen, you should be finding this interface. So in order to download, you may go ahead and Pandora should automatically download to the most listened to stations along with the thumbprint radio for offline listening. So for example, let's head over to the station. So what you need to do is from the station here, you can choose which station's album or songs to or playlist to download for offline listening. For example, we have this. Tap on the plus icon, and once you do that, station will be added to your collection. Tap on it. After the station is added, and once you tap on the station, it will automatically be downloaded for the most listened to stations. Otherwise, you may also look for the download option. If you have, you may tap on the three dot or tap on the plus option and look for the download option. Usually the download icon is a premium feature for Pandora subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to premium version of Pandora, you may not be able to find that option. So what you can do is you can basically add your stations to playlist by tapping on this collect button and head over to my collections. And once you do that, here you'll be finding all of your stations that you would like to download. So you need to ensure that you have enough storage space on your device to download. Along with that, if you don't have proper internet connection, you will be having issues. So make sure you have proper internet connection. So for now, that's it. You may follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.